Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a profile on Bluesky. So number one is that you can just download the app, install the Bluesky app on your Android device or iOS device. You can also open in desktop mode, which is website name is bluesky.app. And what gonna do, you will just create an account, simply create your email address or just password and just tap to continue. Your account will be created, and after created you will just move in the profile which is left, and you will just tap on this edit profile right over here. So what gonna do, you will just choose your handle name which is display name, and I will just example write name Jordan, and you can just add your description of your profession, and you can just upload a image with clear pixels, and you can also create a avatar on it or your profile picture. You can just upload on the back is cover page, and when you just complete this all, you will just tap on save changes, and when it's done, you will just also choose your pick up your interests, like you will just move in the feed section which is left, and what gonna do, you will just select the topics which is scroll down, and here are some topics. You can just select the topics your feed and finalize your sign up process. And if I just like this mutuals, I will just tap on its plus icon, and it will be added my feed. So this is, you can just simple set up your profile on Blue Sky. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.